Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use iMessage on MacBook Air, pro tips step by step clearly. To use iMessage on your MacBook Air, start by launching the Messages app from the Applications folder or your dock. Once the app opens, you will see a welcome screen if it's your first time using it. Click on Get Started to begin setting up your iMessage. Sign in with your Apple ID and password associated with your iCloud account. After signing in, you may need to verify your identity via two-factor authentication if prompted. Once you are in, you will see a list of your conversations on the left side of the window. To start a new conversation, click the square with a pencil icon in the top right corner. In the To a field, type the name or phone number of the person you wish to message. As you type, suggestions from your contacts will appear. Click on the correct one to select it. Type your message in the text box at the bottom of the window. Press the return key on your keyboard to send the message. If you receive a new message, a notification will pop up in the top right corner of your screen. You can click on that notification to open the conversation directly. To view all your conversations, click on the Messages app icon in your dock. For managing messages, right-click on any conversation to archive or delete it. To keep your conversations organized, consider using the search bar at the top to find specific messages. You can also personalize your messages by clicking on Messages in the menu bar and selecting Preferences. Here, you can customize settings such as notifications, message sounds, and read receipts. If you want to enable iMessage on other Apple devices, go to Preferences and select Accounts. Make sure you're signed in with the same Apple ID on all devices. To send photos or files, simply drag and drop them into the message window. You can also click the app's icon next to the text field to access more features like creating polls or sending stickers. If you encounter any issues with iMessage, try checking your internet connection or signing out and back in to your Apple ID. By following these steps, you will be able to use iMessage seamlessly on your MacBook Air. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.